Journal about your positive attributes. Start a gratitude journal that highlights your appreciation for what you love about yourself the most. By staying grounded in your good qualities, both your inner and outer beauty, you will keep these things more present in your mind. This way, each time you have a moment of self-doubt or face a rude remark from someone else, the things you cherish most about yourself will be ready at hand. Consider the following tips for a gratitude journal that really works. Don't just go through the motions. Journaling is more effective if you make a strong decision to become happier and more grateful for your positive attributes. Go for quality over quantity. Journal in deep detail about a few things rather than making a superficial laundry list about many attributes. Make it as personal to you as possible. Consider specific situations and relationships that have been positively impacted by these qualities of yours to see how you benefit from these traits in your daily life. Reflect on how your life would be if you suddenly did not have your positive attributes. This makes gratitude come quite easily. Take a look at your relationships. If you have steady doses of fondness and acceptance, you will always be able to see yourself in the positive light that your loved ones do. Similarly, if you spend lots of time with overly harsh or judgmental people, you will learn to view yourself according to their rigid, critical standards. If you are filled with the notion that you are unattractive or unworthy, question whether or not someone in your life bolsters this idea. Make sure that you have a good support system of friends and loved ones. There's nothing more effective than social support to make you feel strong, capable, and beautiful. Deck out your home with beauty. This may mean decorating your room with beautiful scenes you find in magazines or posters, or keeping cute memorabilia and knickknacks around. Having beautiful surroundings will make you feel beautiful too. Remember to fill your space with what you find beautiful, rather than just following the latest trends in design and decoration. Flattering lighting, like white-coated incandescent bulbs, will set a mood of soft, elegant light that makes you and your surroundings look more appealing overall. Consider the placement of your light fixtures as well. Light that reaches your face from all directions makes it more difficult to see lines and shadows. So, for example, you'll want to replace overhead fixtures in your bathroom with lighting on either side of your mirror. Start each day with an affirmation. Put to task all the positive attributes that you see in yourself by using them to boost your confidence each morning. Remind yourself, in as much vivid and personal detail as possible, the things that you offer to the world. Look in the mirror and tell yourself that these qualities, i.e. your bright smile, your compassionate style, are yours to share. You may feel silly or even self-aggrandizing at first, but you will get used to being kind and motivating toward yourself and experience the benefits of being your own best friend. Also, try writing confidence boosters on post-it notes, on fridge magnets, or even on the bathroom mirror with eyeliner. Putting small reminders in places where they're bound to be seen frequently will keep you in tune with the sort of thinking that fosters optimism. Mind your posture. Good posture not only sends messages to others that we are confident and capable, but it also sends positive messages to yourself. This is because your mind is constantly communicating with your body about how you're feeling. When you are standing up straight and looking ahead rather than at the floor, your brain receives the message that you do indeed feel good about yourself and ready to face the world, literally. People who sit up straight rather than slouch tend to be more confident in what they say and do. Try also to keep your shoulders back and your chest ever so slightly open forward. Doing this will make you look self-assured, taller, and even slimmer. Listen to music often. Music is a large part of what helps you appreciate the natural beauty in life, and it is even thought to precede language in its impact on your sense of connection with and orientation in the world around you. Listen to whatever gets your blood pumping, be it pop, rock, jazz, or country. Sustained listening will keep your mood uplifted and your thoughts appreciative of beauty. Get a cute pet. Pets serve two purposes when it comes to helping you feel beautiful. First, you get to spend lots of time around a visually pleasing, always smiling creature. In a way, they can make the perfect accessory to be out and about with. Also, pets make trusted companions that will help you feel loved and cherished without the conditions of human relationships. Make sure you only get a pet if you have the means to take care of it actively. Pets require a good deal of responsibility and daily attention, but the benefits are enormous. Check out the link description below.